Lesson 6: The World We Live In. In the previous video, we learned about oceans and continents. Now let's move ahead and learn about landforms and water bodies on the earth. The earth's surface consists of both land and water. The land area of the earth has a number of features such as hills, mountains, deserts, plains and plateaus. Any part of the earth's surface that is covered with water is known as a water body, such as ocean, sea, river and lake. These landforms and water bodies together form the physical features of the earth. Now let's find out about features of different landforms and water bodies. Hill is a raised piece of land, often with a rounded peak at the top. They are not usually very high and have a gentle slope. Mountains. Mountain is taller than hill. Mountains have steeper slopes than hills. Most of the mountains have pointed peaks and are covered with snow at the top. When a number of mountains or hills are joined together, they are known as a mountain range or a hill range. Hills and mountains are usually cold in winter and pleasant in summer. People like to visit such places in summer to enjoy the pleasant climate and see the beauty of the place. Some people go to the mountains for skiing in the winter. Valleys are flat lowlands between hills or mountains. A valley often has a river flowing through it. Most people living in the valleys find it easy to grow crops, build houses, and get water from the rivers. The climate is also pleasant in a valley. Plains are low, flat land. The soil in the plains is usually fertile, which is good for the growth of plants. A desert is a dry land which receives less or no rainfall throughout the year. There are almost no or very few plants in a desert. Deserts are of two types: cold desert and hot desert. Cold deserts are covered with snow throughout or most part of the year. Hot deserts are covered with sand and have a hot climate. Plateaus are raised flat land. They have a steep slope and are flat from top. The structure of a plateau looks like a table and therefore they are also known as a tableland. A peninsula is a landform that reaches out into the sea. It is surrounded by water on three sides, but is joined to the mainland on one side. Water bodies are areas covered with water. They can be as big as an ocean and as small as a pond. Beside oceans, there are various other water bodies on the surface of the earth. Rivers are water bodies in which water is always flowing. A river usually starts on a higher land, such as mountain, hill, or a plateau, and flows towards a plain area. Many rivers and streams join and form a big river. Rivers feed lakes in their course or way and finally join the sea or ocean. The point where the river starts is called its source, and the point where it ends is called its mouth. A pond is a small fresh water body and is surrounded by land on all sides. Lakes are bigger than ponds. They are enclosed by land from all the sides and fed by rivers, streams, or rainfall. A stream is a small, narrow river which flows down a hill or a mountain. And now it's time to think and answer. Where would you like to go for a holiday during winters? Desert or a mountain? Why? That's all for today. Goodbye. Happy learning.